Okay, dear students, so this is another topic, that is using a course book, how to use a course book. So before using a course book, check whether it provides the following or not. Like, you should check these things first. Okay, so the first thing is the coverage, with whether the course book covers these contents or not. Like the things that are mentioned over here, it should cover a fair range of language contents and skills, such as pronunciation practice, new vocabulary recordings for listening practice, listening, speaking, reading, communication tasks, short and long reading texts, review of previously learned material, and entertaining or fun activities. So, this is the first point, the utmost relevant and utmost important point, and it's a requisite for a course book. If you are using a course book, so it should be noticed that the course book provides all these things that I mentioned, and they are written over here. Okay, the second thing is the tasks, that or activities or and exercises. In some books, exercises are more like texts, such as fill in the blanks or checklist for extended rehearsal of different aspects of language. If the tasks are too short, extended them by adding further similar items or by making items opened instead of closed ended for multiple responses. Also, supplement the activities by activities from your run to make them heterogeneous. Okay, so you should know that a course book should provide every sort of activities. It it may not be such like which is a kind of homogeneous, which has repetition in its topics or something. It should be extended one. It should be not closed ended question type tests or tasks. Okay, like close ended, what is meant by close ended and open ended? It means close ended means that a student is given with the options, and the options, like suppose if I say what is the capital city of Pakistan, so it is a close ended. A student cannot write anything else without Islamabad. Okay, so this is a very objective kind of thing, and it is very much close ended. But if I say how is um like what sort of things are there which are very much famous in Islamabad, or what is famous in Islamabad, or various kind of things which are open ended, and they can be answered, and in various ways, like, and you can answer, like you can also ask objectives in such a way which are like, if you can ask someone, okay, what do you like in fruits? So various responses would be there. Someone would say apple, someone would say apricot, someone would say, like, different sort of answers would be given. So close ended means questions which has only one answer. Okay, Islamabad dash is the capital of Pakistan, so one cannot write anything else without Islamabad. While open ended means that Islamabad is dash. So one student would write Islamabad is beautiful. The other would use Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan. The other would say something else. So various kind of answers will be given over there. Okay, supplement the activities by active. by activities from your run to make them heterogeneous. Like they are given various activities, and you yourself should supplement them, should support them, should give more. Like you can uh, kind of enlarge, or you can make it more interesting and more heterogeneous rather than homogeneous. The third point is the administration, how to teach the teacher to deliver or to distribute. The component of a course book should be administered through teacher lead question answer. Students can also do it individually through pair work or group work under the supervision of the teacher. This point is very much good, that the teacher should be given with a teacher lead question answer, so that he may get help of that, and students can also individually do that under the supervision of the teacher. Then some supplementary materials. You should know that a course book should also mention in it, should provide in it supplementary materials, additional. Okay, now read it, let's read it. Additional materials for the course book are supplementary material in order to make course book appropriate for the particular needs of a class. Some tailor-made supplementary material, such as given below, should be provided. Okay, like these are the things which are needed for a course book. Computer is audiovisual material. Okay, like there should be a computer, like it should be given in the course book. There activities should be given over there in the, so that it may uh, take help from computer. Okay, now let's read it. Computer is a visual material that helps course book. Tablets, mobile etc. are more appropriate for course book. Due to this, it covers the audiovisual part of course book. Through this, we record the lecture, and it makes okay it makes our work easy. It records, okay, it records voice and corrects, this is corrects not correct, corrects the pronunciation, etc. It increases the curiosity of learners because of listening and reading and watching. Like at the same time, you will be listening, reading, and watching. So this the computer helps the learners much more while having a course book. This is a supplement for uh, course book. Then there are books. Okay, taking books from library is supplementary material for course books. Books are of two types: textbooks and reference books. Okay, you should know that if you are reading a course book and you are taking help from other books which are in the library or somewhere else, and you take supplement from that, so the course book will be much more easier for you, and you will learn much more things. And this like the books are of two types. There are textbooks and as well as reference books. The encyclopedia and dictionary, etc., they are called, or they are known as reference books. Okay, the textbooks are later on discussed. Okay, they are there, we will talk about it over once. We have also discussed it, but still, okay, I will throw light on it as they are there in the notes. Okay, overhead, projector, multimedia projector, etc. Okay, through this we use it for classroom activities, for seminar, for presentation, etc. As you might have seen various lectures on multimedia projector, etc. So they are used. Okay, video equipment, it helps the course book, like when there is a video lecture or something is okay. Audio equipment, it helps the course book, we listen recording through this, etc. It's easy. Poster, pictures and games, these are all helps, these also helps the, these all also help, not helps. Okay, this s should be removed from it. Okay, the course book, it makes learning interesting, not it they make. Okay, they make learning interesting. Okay, poster, pictures and games are very much important. If a course book contains these three things, so it is a very good course book. Now let's read what is textbook and how is it differentiated from the course book. So it is a collection of knowledge, concept and principles of a selected topic or course. Okay, this is very definition of it. It is mainly used as a guideline by curriculum or course designers to achieve their set goals. Okay, then there is another point, textbooks are provided according to the demands of education and instructions. Then there is another point, a textbook or course book is a manual of instruction in any branch of study. The course book and textbook over here, both of them are used synonymously. Okay, like they are is a manual of instruction. Okay, a course book is an end and a textbook is a mean to achieve that end. You should, this is the very I would say best differentiation uh, given over here, that the course book is achievement, that is an end, okay, of the syllabus, while the textbook is a mean, is a way of achieving that end. Okay, thank you dear guys. In the next lecture we will start another unit, that is lesson planning. Thank you. Stay stay safe, stay healthy.